Welcome today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So we got a couple of ways. So the first one is just go to the settings and tap here to the sounds and vibration section, and here you'll see the ringtone section. Just to adjust the ringtone volume with your finger swipe to the left or to the right side, these dots. The second way, you just can here on the left side of your device press your down or up volume button, and by this way you can also change your ringtone volume. And the third way, that just go to these two dots and swipe with your finger this panel of ringtone to the up or to the down. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.